Hi guys, Charlene with Sweet Pieces by Me. Welcome back to my channel. And I wanted to share with you guys that I signed back up with Stampin' Up. Woohoo! Part of the reason I did that is because my sister dropped and I wasn't going to be under her anymore. And I have met an awesome demonstrator here in Colorado, up near Loveland, a little bit north of me, so a couple hours north. She's awesome. I've gone to a retreat of hers and definitely will go back. But I wanted to sign up under her because she is local. And I know she does events. And I love her designs, her style, the way she does her business. So I signed back up and I'm very excited to be doing Stampin' Up again because I still want to share videos with everybody. I feel like there's so much more that I can share with you. So I will be doing that, but I wanted to share with you my box that I got. So when you sign up right now with Stampin' Up, you get $125 worth of product for $99. So your fee for signing up is your starter kit, and you get to build it. You get to pick things in your kit. Couple of things that just come with your kit are these cute little postcards that say you're invited. You can invite your friends and family. Postcards to come and have fun, be creative. Saying to take a break from your busy schedule and come and be creative and make some stuff. And then these are join cards if you know somebody that is interested in the business and you wanted to send them a card to hear more about it or to join. You can do that. So that came with it. And then I also got a box of catalogs. So I believe there's 8 in there. They are the main catalogs. And I ordered 5 packs of Stampin' Dimensionals. Each one has 3 sheets of dimensionals. These are amazing. A lot of people call these pop dots. These are great because they are hexagon in shape, and I feel like they work really well on the back of cards. They're a good thickness too, but if you want to thicken them, you can add 2. I got these cutting plates, which you've seen in my previous video. I was sharing how don't waste money, don't buy the cheap plates, just get the plates from Stampin' Up because they have this nice beveled edge. It's like a little ramp going into the machine, okay, and the nice rounded corners, so they're very comfortable. So I got these cutting plates. I ordered some Stays-On cleaner because I do use Stays-On, and I really like to use the Stays-On cleaner in my cleaning scrubby thing. That makes a difference in getting the Stays-On ink off. And then I got the Take Your Pick Crafter tips. So I already have, gosh, I have nothing right here. There's like no scissors, no nothing. Can't open this stuff. I was going to show you my Take Your Pick Crafter tips. Now, this will not help you unless you have the Take Your Pick Crafter tool. That's weird. My TV just turned on all by itself. So I'm going to shut that off. That was weird. So sorry. Take Your Pick Crafter tool. So these are the tips. I guess I should be giving you guys item numbers in case you're interested and you want to duplicate my order to set up your kit. This is item 161602. Cutting plates is 150815. Stays-On cleaner is 109196. And the dimensionals are 104430. And like I said, you get the postcards, you get the catalogs. You don't even have to add those to your order. So this Take Your Pick Crafter tips are good for, they're great actually, if you have the tool. So you need to have this tool. This is the multi-purpose Take Your Pick tool. It's pretty cool because it does come with a piercer or poker tool. And when you unlock it and take it out, it's got like this little spatula tool. It's really great. And then you can take this out. Actually, sorry, that locks in. Yeah, okay. These tips go, depends on what tip it is, but if it's got the screw on, then it goes on this end. This end has a sticky stuff, tacky stuff that helps you to pick up little, I'm trying to find my camera here. I'm so sorry. Everything's so blurry. Right here helps you to pick up little bits. I really like it for tiny things that I've cut out. But anyway, you would unscrew this and you can screw this in. This is to perforate something, so it makes it so you can just tear off something. So that's what that tool is. And then it comes with this X-Acto knife tool and another poker tool, which is good for weeding because it has that curved. And then this one is a lot sharper than that other poker tool, which I really like. It's pretty sharp. Okay, so I really wanted to have more tips for my tool. So that's why I got the Take Your Pick tools. Okay. And then I got an extra tool, Take Your Pick die brush tip tool. Now this is really cool. Comes with this pad, which when you cut out a die, and let's say it has a lot of little tiny pieces. Just kidding, nothing's in here. No, here it is. This tool is 149655, and this one's very cool because, again, it screws on. Let me just show you. Or, well, you pull it. I guess you pull it out. Once you screw it. Okay, there we go. That there. This one. So I'm going to screw it on. My little tool. That's great. I love it. And say there's all those little bits on your die. Okay. And you need to get them out. Instead of sitting here poking at them, you can just go like this. Okay. And they just pop right out. So I love that. That's a tip. All right. Okay. Then I got some paper. This is the Wildflower Birthday paper, 12 by 12 Designer Series paper, 164591. This is really cute paper. I'm going to go ahead and take this out so you can see it. I'm really hoping I can get some New Year, and maybe some Valentine's cards made. Then I can, maybe some birthday with this. It is birthday, it's Wildflower Birthday. So cute. Okay. So it's got this pretty, I got this because it has gold in it, which I absolutely love when they do that. And it has such pretty images. These are cut apart things. Super cute for birthday cards. So maybe I will do a class on that. So you get 2 sheets of that. Super cute. And then 2 sheets of this. So I like to show the other side because of course you know that side's that. Oh, I love that. I love that color. That's so pretty. Okay, goes good with that. This is, oops, sorry, looking for the colors. So that's probably soft sea foam. So pretty, soft sea foam. And oh, look at those pretty flowers. Got the gold. There's some pool party in here. Blueberry bushel is the main blue color. Got some old olive. Peach pie. So pretty. And the pink is pretty in pink, which I love. Okay. And that, so that peach color is that on that other one. Okay. Okay, so that's the other side. We got this gingham, pink gingham. That's pretty. So that's the pretty in pink. And here's another paper with the pretty gold. Look at how that shimmers. I just love it. So let's see if you can compare. They are different. This one does have more of a peachy background. So, because I know sometimes people are like, oh, they look so similar. And it's got little pink flowers too. Definitely more pink in here. Okay, so that goes good with that pink gingham. This paper smells so good, by the way. I love the smell of paper. All right, then we got this striped one with cute birthday cakes. I love that. That is so pretty. That would be really cute together too. And then, oh, these fun elements. Now, and these are, okay, let me see if these are stickers too. I know they're die cuts, but, oh, there's 2 sheets. That's why I was like, oh, it's so thick. They're die cuts, and you get 2 sheets. So, oh my gosh, I could definitely see a birthday card making class in the future with this. Now, I can't remember if this is one that I got on clearance though, and it's going away, or if this was a newer pack. So I will have to look that up because I couldn't remember. I just loved the gold and the colors and the elements that it came with. So I will have to look that up. Let's see what else we got in here. I got this beach time sticker sheet and the beach time paper. So I loved this for scrapbooking. So I can get some scrapbook pages made. And here's the beach paper, beach boardwalk. So I believe these came together. And I'm sorry I didn't give you the number for Wildflower birthday. So that is 164591. And then beach boardwalk. I feel like this came with the sticker sheet, so I'm not sure if this is the right item number, but I have 166820, and then the sticker sheet is 166839. These are really cute. Beach time. Now, I'm going to open this because I feel like there's 2... I feel like there's 2 in here, but maybe there's only 1. I like to open this stuff anyway when I get it. If I don't open them and check it out, I tend to not really use it right away. Maybe I forget about them or I don't even use them, and then it's like, oh, I've had that for a while. If I open it, then I'm more apt to, oh, okay, just 1 sticker sheet. But I'm pretty sure these 2 came together. So there might be a different item number for the 2 to buy them together. Okay, and of course I have to open this paper and share the paper with you because we did that on the other one. And some people want to see these all up close in 4K. So, I do like to keep the cardboard on the back because, 1, you can use it for things. It's a little bit sturdier than the paper. And 2, it tells you the colors. So this has Blackberry Bliss, Bubble Bath, Daffodil Delight, Granny Apple Green, Lemon Lolly, Petunia Plum, Pool Party, Pretty in Pink, Secret Sea, Strawberry Slush, Summer Splash, and Timid Tiger. And remember, this is beachy, so definitely has that beach vibe. So pretty. Here's the other side of that one. Like tickets. Okay. Cute, because it's like boardwalk. Going to the boardwalk. Tickets to get on rides. Oh, I love that. Pretty for sunset. You can cut this in half and then put the palm trees right side up to go on that paper. That'll be so cute. I like that a lot. That's cute. That's like a watercolor sky, kind of. And then you have water on the back, which really looks a lot like water. Very pretty. That's very pretty. Another watercolor paper design with some little suns. Those are cute. Then we have this paper with more palm trees. So cute. Okay, and the last one, this ombre looking one with the boardwalk ride elements on there. Those look really pretty together too. All right, and then of course I had to buy a pack of basic white cardstock. Foundation for your cards, a great paper that holds the ink really well. 166780. So you get a pack of 24 sheets. This cardstock is the best cardstock that I have found out there. You can buy cheaper cardstock, but you're going to know it's cheaper. You can definitely tell when you stamp your images. Masking paper. I thought this would help with doing more stencils. I love doing stencils, and I love using the brushes, these brushes like this, and getting that pretty color on the paper. So the masking paper will help mask off what you don't want inked. It's also good for some certain techniques. So be looking for that in a video coming soon. You do get one current catalog. So this is the mini, this is the current one. I just placed my order in December, so of course this is the December catalog. However, I must say I love that they did this, because I would actually be irritated if I got 12 of these. It was so late in the month of December when I signed up. It was like the 28th or 29th of December, and I would have been irritated if they gave me 8 of these, because it expired. I mean, by the time I got it, what am I going to do with this? You know, they gave me a pack of 8 of the new mini catalogs. So January, so this just started. It goes until April 2026. And then of course we get a new main catalog that's going to come out and be good for a year. And then, yeah, so very happy that they did that. Thank you, Stampin' Up, for noticing that the year's over and that's not going to do me any good. So I appreciate that. Last but not least, they threw in a free paper pumpkin kit. So this is not part of your $99 free kit. So they throw that in. This one, and if you look at the side or the end, it tells you this is Farmhouse Florals from August. And I'm going to go ahead and open this because I tend to do these. If I like them, I keep them. If it's not really my style, or I think somebody else would love to benefit from a kit, I will gift this to somebody. Or maybe they're new to stamping and I want them to try it out, see if they like it, then I will give them a kit. Usually your first kit comes with a block. Since I'm already a demonstrator, this did not come with a block, which is fine. And I can't remember if I have this kit or not, because I was getting them for a while. I feel like I do have it. Good friends are hard to find. I'm so glad we found each other. This is the Secret C. Comes with usually a mini stamp set. And then it comes with a Stampin' Spot, ink spot. So it's a tiny little ink pad. And then let's look at this. I think if I see it, I'll recognize it. Some people save the tissue paper for gifts. Okay, this one is cute. I believe I gave mine away. It wasn't really my style. I do like the sayings, just a note for you, thank you. I do need some thank you cards, so I might just keep this kit. But again, it's just not my style, so I could save it and give that away to somebody later on. All right, well, thank you guys for tuning in and watching my unboxing of my all my goodies. And if you have any questions about Paper Pumpkin, or if you have any questions about Stampin' Up, about joining, feel free to private message me or reach out. You can send me an email, sweetpiecesbyme@gmail.com, or just comment on this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.